Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CIE. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very, very nice move. Sure, the price did pull back here a little bit, but even where it closed relative to where it was, before today, like I said, everybody would agree, very nice move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the logical question, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is down here at 28 cents. Why is 28 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 28 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price at that point in time? That's literally putting the price right back inside of that range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, bounces around on top of that range and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be down here, and if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is gonna do. It's gonna make progress over time. And in this case, I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as 28 cents. What about areas of resistance? Quite straightforward in this case. It's all about the pink line right there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. You can see that's right where the big move finally stopped right there. So this is why I always laugh when people say, oh, charts don't work. Well, what a coincidence that the price was booming and booming and booming, and then that pink line showed up and it got rejected back down. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that it's impossible to break through the pink line or anything. I'm just saying that the bulls really are going to have to bring their A game to not only break above it, but then maintain above it. Anyway you slice it, though, today, very nice start to the week. So now it just becomes a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.